From airplanes to disposable product usage, traveling is not known to be the most sustainable activity. But if you're going to take a trip, there are ways to be more eco-friendly when traveling. First of all, always bring your own water bottle when you travel, so you can fill up everywhere from the airport, your hotel, or anywhere, really, that you can find a water fountain. You'll not only be avoiding all that plastic bottle waste, but you'll also save money for all those times you would have bought a water bottle. Along with that, also bring reusable cutlery and straws to avoid buying plastic disposable ones. Air travel is notorious for being bad for the environment, but one way you can help stave off the environmental impact is to take a nonstop flight. It's actually the takeoffs and landings that create most of the airplane's carbon emissions. So, more flights means more gas and emissions. By sticking with nonstop, you can at least help minimize impact. If you do fly as well, consider doing so with one of the 30-plus International Air Transport Association member airlines. They offer carbon offset programs to neutralize the aircraft's carbon emissions by investing in carbon reduction projects. Once you get to a destination, opt for public transportation rather than taxis or renting a car. Even better, just take a bike or walk around the city. And if there's an option to take a train to get to your destination, go for it, as it's much better for the environment than a plane. For instance, if you're headed to multiple destinations within Europe, there's often train options that might even be cheaper than flights. Also, be wary of eco-travel companies. While good intention, be careful of tourist companies and accommodation that overly emphasize eco-travel. Not all are bad by any means, but often organizations will use sustainable travel as a marketing ploy, but in reality, they aren't that environmentally friendly. Again, not all are doing this, just find places with eco-friendly certifications like Green Seal, EarthCheck, or Green Globe. Something that you might not realize has a serious impact: sunscreen can be really bad for the ocean. So if you're planning an ocean getaway, be sure to go for all natural options. While there's no foolproof plan for traveling 100% sustainably, incorporating some of these tips will help.